Something that's really important to me is just clear communication. If I have to wait, that's fine. I just want to know how long I'm waiting. And they were so great about communication all throughout.
And talked me through the whole process. To the guys that came out, when they got here, they told me what they were going to do that day and what was going to happen on another day. And they, it happened like clockwork, the way they told me they were going to do it. I never got conflicting information. The price was set. Nobody came back and asked for anything else.
Here in Florida, like I mentioned, it rains a lot, so I understood that this was weather dependent. They gave me a rough time frame of when they'd be there, and then followed up, I think, 2 more times as it got closer to the day. And I think they were actually able to come when they said that they would come, but I just got regular updates to know what to expect, how long it would take, how I would be able to access the house, and plan accordingly.
Mary she's like, if I called her, she'd call me back. If I had a question, she'd answer my questions. Ethan, the same way.
Then they came when they said they would come. Everything that they did was right when they said that they would do it. And then came and did a fantastic job.
Immediately when we contacted Paver Patio, we set up the appointment. We got in the queue, and I was constantly notified of every single situation, where I was in the line, when it would happen, how it was going to happen. And then I got the communication from Joey and his team for the construction work.
They said, well, we'll contact you next week or whatever it was. And sure enough, on the same day that they were going to, that they said they would do the work, they got in touch with me and came out.
I think we were so impressed by, first of all, the speedy time frame to get back to us. They answered our questions quickly, and when Chris came out, he was very knowledgeable about what you're going to do. There was no doubt really in our minds that he knew what he was doing and that it could be done. So I think that made it all very, very good for us.
And everything was very timely. When they said they were going to be here at a certain time, they were here, and they called us and let us know they were on their way. Everything was done exactly when they said they were going to be here. So that was very impressive. That doesn't happen all the time.